Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing a new Dremel I just got. This Dremel is the 8220 or 8220. It is a 12 volt cordless Dremel, and I'm gonna unbox this bad boy, see what it looks like, see if it's better than the previous one I used to have. So let's break the seal on this thing here. Let's see what we got. Alright, here it is. Get this box out of my way. Alright, here it is here. This is the front of the case, you guys can see. And this is the rear of the case, and you guys can see that it's come with a couple of accessories in here, so it's not completely empty with no accessory. It comes with a few of them, and it'll tell you individual piece that it has in the box here. And what I like about this one is this actually comes with the case. Some of these do not come with the case, so if you're going to get a certain one, make sure it's the one with the case, even if you don't want it. But you know, it's better to secure it in the case. Okay, let's see. Back here it has a 2-year warranty, so that's pretty good. You get a 2-year warranty with this. Alright, now let's take it out of this box here. Get out of my face. Alright. Plastic case here. The molded case. Now let's open it up. And you open it up, you see the little instructions manual, warranty, all that great stuff. Then you see the Dremel up here, fit it in this slot, the charger right here in this slot, accessories, another one of the accessories, and ready to go. And also has some slots you guys can see on the bottom for more accessories that you can put there, but I'm not worried about those. And here's your little box with your little accessories that they include. But I will be getting the one with, I believe there's one with like 170 pieces, so I'll be getting that one later. All right, now I'll just stick with what I have for what they send me anyway. But all the parts are on the back here, each individual part and the part number, and some of them have more than one piece, so they'll include, like this number is 414, and you have 4 pieces of those, so each individual piece, so you'll be able to identify all the parts that you have in there. I don't know if it has any power, but we'll see here. Oh, still got a charge foot, but there you go. Where you control the speed. You guys can see that. And I believe that's 5, that line right there. And it goes 10, 15, 20, 25, goes all the way up to 30. So we'll start it on there. So that was max power. And it does have the battery indicator right here. You guys saw that. And in this corner here. And it has this little... Oh man, this part is hard to move, guys. There we go. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys can see that in the indicator light. Right, let's turn that off here. And this is a hook you can hang your tool up with. So that's what this is designed for. And you have somewhere you hang your tools up, you just flap that out and hang it out. But it's kind of hard to take out once it's in there. So that's one part that sucks about that. And here's the battery. And guys, this is a 12-volt Dremel rotary tool here. And well, here's the charger. And this is the other accessory you get with it. It's a cut-in guide. That's what this one is for. When you're cutting like wood or whatever it may be. Alright, what you guys really wanted to see me using this bad boy. First I'm going to use the grinding attachment. Sand with the sandpaper on it, you can see. And usually, I don't know if you guys can see the little thing. This is the lock right here. You press the lock and it keeps this from moving up top here. And then you can put your connector in whatever accessory you're going to use, okay? And then tighten it down. Okay? That's that. And you're ready to go, okay? And I'm going to use it on my knife here. So increase the speed a little bit. And I use sandpaper to sharpen my knife, so this isn't anything new for me. It gives it a good edge. But there is a grinding stone. There's the grinding stone right here. I can also use this. So I can switch it out. Loosen this up here. Get the sandpaper wheel out. Put the grinding stone wheel in. Okay. Then use the grinding stone. But I like the sandpaper better. But either way, you use the sandpaper, you can use the grinding wheel. It'll still sharpen your knife or scissors, whatever you want to sharpen with it. You can use that for it. I'll take this grinding wheel off. And it has also a cutting wheel. That comes. I'm going to switch that out, put the cutting wheel in. And let's see. Get a nail right here. Let's see if it'll cut this nail. And hold it in my hand. That's going to be tricky. I gotta turn it up. Seems like 15 won't do it, guys, so I'll turn it up to 20. Oh, getting stuck in there. There it is. Cut this nail right off. But gotta use that on a higher speed. I started it on a lower speed and that didn't cut it, so when you're using it to cut some, make sure it's on the higher speed. Let's see. There's the other part to it. There. And there's other sandpapers that I mentioned before that you can switch. Different grit. There's fine grit, coarse grit, medium grit. And these are let me get those out. What you use to clean. You can use, like, say if you have something chrome or you have jewelry, you can actually use this to clean the area you want. And this is the connector that goes to that. It's a little, looks like a little screw, and you screw it in. There's a hole on the other thing. You can see the hole, and then you just screw that in. And don't go too crazy though. You don't want to destroy it because it's very delicate. But it's like a brush wheel, and you use it for cleaning your chrome surface, your jewelry, whatever. There's different sizes in here. You can use that on. Then it has a drill bit also inside there. And this, I'm not certain exactly what this is. It looks like, let me turn it around here. Oh, it's the polish. They actually give you the polish. They actually give you the polish here to use with this wheel, so you can polish your, your jewelry or whatever you're cleaning up with this. So this is what this is. This is a little brick of polish they send in there also. But that's all the accessories. Anyway, oh no, there's some more grinding wheels. Sorry about that, guys. There's some more grinding wheels here. So they give you like 4 different size grinding wheels. So those are also there. And they also give you a little wrench / screwdriver, flathead screwdriver tool, and that is for loosening the screws on the end of these bits here, because when you take the screw, it loosens the pressure on this wheel, and you can change the grit sizes you want, because it's a little rubber in here that holds the piece in. Once you screw it down, it puts pressure on it. That's what holds this in place, the sandpaper. Okay, but that's it for different parts, guys, and there's a quick demo of me using it. And basically I had an older version of this tool that I broke it, so I got a new one, and I love this tool. If you have a lot of different things you need to do, and you don't want the bulky, because you can get the bulky versions of each piece of attachment that you get on this tool. But, you want something small that can fit into small spaces and more easier to control. It gives you more control over it. I would recommend this Dremel. I love these Dremels. Okay, but that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. When I get the new accessories, I'm going to do another video of me using the other accessories, because there's a lot of different ones you can get. So stay tuned for that, and thank you guys for watching my video like always, and I'll see you guys next time.